Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Check it out. Now we've just surpassed 100,000 subscribers. We're so happy. Just wanted to share with you guys our YouTube Silver Award. It finally came in. Here it is. As you can see, Sanaiya has been a big help in this endeavor of getting past 100K subscribers. And it really does kind of shock us how fast our channel grew. I think we're at 115, almost 116,000 subscribers now, and that's just amazing to both of us. I mean, we've really had no idea we'd be this successful. But you know what? It was just perseverance and trying to give the audience what they want, trying to make our videos rather interesting as well as informative. And we just wanted to unbox this YouTube Silver Award in front of you guys and kind of thank you for supporting our channel, because without subscribers we wouldn't have got this Silver Award. So I haven't opened it yet. I just have a knife here and I'm just going to go ahead and cut this tape and kind of see what it looks like. Okay, both sides are all the way done. Oh, we got one more. Okay, so the final edge that opens up, we got to cut that too. So one more edge here. This is kind of exciting. All right. That one's done. And now, here we go. Okay, we have, well, this might be kind of hard to see. There we go. So we'll put it up like this so you can see Sanaiya too. And we have this kind of guard here. And here we go. So we have a paper here. It says, YouTube, you've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. If you reach, I think it's 100,000, you get the silver. And then 1 million, you get the gold. And then I believe it's 10 million, if I'm not mistaken, you get the, is it the diamond, I believe, award. So this is our first. We're at the silver. There's another little card in here. This award was inspected by and packaged with great care by Rick. If your reward is damaged, blah blah blah. Okay, so it's like contracted through Society Awards is the one that kind of manufactures this. Anyway, here we go. Let's pull it out. Enough talking about it. Let's do it. So that's it. That's everything in the box. And check this out. It is the Silver Award. Looking kind of fancy. I'm glad I can share this with my daughter that's helping so much in the review. We're just going to pull this plastic off. And there it is, guys. Look at that. I'm hoping you can kind of see it. I know it's probably a little bit washed out. I think I have the exposure a little too high, a little too white on the camera, but here it is. Yeah, there's the writing. I can kind of see it. But it basically just says, presented to Dustin Dunnill for passing 100,000 subscribers. And then there's just the YouTube icon on the bottom there. Now see what it looks like, Sanaiya? It's kind of hard to see that white unless you're like directly in front of it, yeah? Mm-hmm. Isn't that kind of cool though? Mm-hmm. And then on the back, it's just got a couple of hangers. If you want to hang it on your wall. On a couple of picture hangers. There's 2 of them there. It's got like a velvety material. And I'm not seeing any damage, so I don't have to report that it's damaged. But it looks like maybe just like a wrapped, what is this, like aluminum? Like a brushed aluminum kind of feel. And then it really is a mirror in there in the back with just like a little triangle for the play button. And that's really all it is. But this is totally a huge milestone for us. You know, like I was saying, we never would have thought we'd get this far. And just wanted to thank all you guys for subscribing and, you know, helping us to get to this point. Really heartfelt thank you. And we really hope to see you guys in a lot of our future videos. We got so much coming for 2019. And it's going to be a great year and the years to come. Lots of new products out there. If you guys don't know, if you're tuning in and just watching unboxing of a Silver Award, we do all kinds of RC and tech review videos, all kinds of stuff. So you might want to tune into the channel and you might find something you like. Anything you want to say, Sanaiya, for closing it up?
Nope.
Nothing at all. Okay. Well, thanks again, guys, and we hope to see you in the next video, and have a great 2019. Aloha.
Bye.
Bye-bye.